Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to install games on your Switch. So first, you're just going to go on Google and type in whatever game that you want to install. And so I'm going to put Undertale, and then you're going to type in NSP after it. You go on Google, and usually I like to use nxbrew.com, but there's also other websites that have the NSP file. So go on there. You're going to scroll down until you get to here where it has the download links. And sometimes there's also an update file for that game. So first, you can click any one of the links, but we're going to first just install the actual game. So download this file. Okay, so file not found. So let's go ahead and use one of the other links. We'll use this one. Just click X on that, and then you just go down and click download. Download. So then it's going to start downloading. And then we're going to go ahead and also download the update file. So let's see on Google Drive if it's working. Okay, so download. Okay, so we're going to have to use a different link because that one's not working. You can use hex upload. Free download. It's going to tell you to wait. Create download link. Download now. And, you can see it's downloading here. So we're going to wait for that to download. And once you finish downloading those, if you don't already have it, you might want to install WinRAR. This is just a little application that lets you extract RAR files. So you're going to need that to extract your files. You just press download, click this, it's going to give you a file. You're going to click it. Oh, shoot. You're going to click it and you're going to, so that you can install it. Yeah, so WinRAR. It's going to ask you, you can press yes. You're going to click install. I already have it, so I don't need to do that. So once you have your two files, you're going to go to your download folders. So we're going to see here, we have Undertale. You're going to right click it. Go on WinRAR, or any application lets you extract RAR files. And you can click extract too. We're going to extract that, and then we're going to also extract the update file. Extract too. So now we have our two folders here. That's all we need. You're going to want to turn off your Switch and then take out the SD card from the back. So you just push it, pull. Okay, and then you're going to put it in, insert it in here. I'm going to ship this with the Switch. So just put it on top here. And you can just slide it in. Any computer or laptop should have somewhere to put it. And then you're going to have, so my laptop just pulled up automatically the SD card folders. But if it doesn't pull up automatically, you can just go and scroll until you find SD card on the left here under your PC. And then in the SD card, you have a folder. We have a folder called Game, NSPs, and Updates. So you want to click that. That's where you're going to put any game that you want to install. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag and drop the Undertale game onto the SD card. And then I'm going to drag and drop the update also here. So once you actually have the actual game on the SD card, you can just go ahead and take out the SD card. So you want to save, you want to click here, and so you can right click here, so you can click eject. So actually we need to get out of here. Click X on this and this, and then, okay, so then it's going to let us eject, save to remove. So you don't want to take this out until it says that it's okay to take it out. Right, and then you're going to take out the SD card. And you're going to put it back in the switch. Here. So, and since the switch is off, we need to inject the payload like I showed you to turn it back on. So you're just going to put your USB-C cord in the switch. Okay. And then you're going to go to here, inject your payload like I showed you in the first video. So once that's done, you can just go ahead and launch your switch. Here. And take this out. And so pretty simple here. It's not going to actually be installed